Hey everyone, how's it going? And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to put 3 hairs on Roblox at the same time. So at first what you need to do is click on this search 3 dots, and then you want to click on extensions and then visit Chrome Web Store. Then you want to search for BT Roblox just like so, and click on this one, and then you want to click on add to Chrome and then add extension. As you can see, it has been added. So if I click on extensions, pin this. Now head over to Roblox, go to avatar, and then we want to go to here, right over here, and then if I select it, you can see this has been selected on top of this one. And then if I select it, wait for it, as you can see 3 hairs have been selected at the same time. You could even choose more hairs, like let's say I want all of these hairs. So if I click on all of them and let my character load. Okay, wow, so cool, no? But yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.